Account locked on SoFi Wealth App Fix. You open the SoFi Wealth app, ready to check your portfolio performance, but then it hits you: your account is locked. Don't panic. This happens more often than you might think, and most people actually make the situation worse by entering their password again and again. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First, let's understand why this happens. SoFi's security system automatically locks accounts after multiple failed login attempts or unusual activity like signing in from a new device or network. It's a safety measure to protect your financial data. To unlock your account, start by going to the SoFi login page and tapping Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address. You'll receive a password reset link within a few minutes. Click that link, set a new secure password, and log back into your account. If the email does show up right away, check your spam or junk folder. Make sure you're using the same email you originally used to create your SoFi account. That's a common mistake people make. If your account still doesn't unlock, check your inbox for any verification emails from SoFi. Sometimes your account is temporarily frozen for security verification. Simply click the verification link, confirm it's you, and your access will be restored instantly. In some cases, you might need to contact SoFi customer support. Go to their help center, choose account access, and submit a support request explaining that your account is locked. Include your registered email and any relevant details. Their support team usually unlocks accounts within 24 hours after verifying your identity. To avoid this in the future, enable two-factor authentication and keep your device and password manager up to date. Getting locked out of your SoFi Wealth account can be annoying, but it's really just your data's bodyguard doing its job. Follow these steps, and you'll be back to managing your investments and tracking your wealth growth in no time.